difficult way to I start this workshop. But after that, until now, almost 7 years in this shop. The Albadaya with me 7 years. This garage almost 12 years in the UAE. Once I get this garage, there is no one staff, only me and one other guy. Okay, one of my AC technician. I am the one mechanic. I am the one electrician. I am the one everything I will do myself. And after that, we work 2-3 months. Then I join some people. After that, I increase my business. I increase my material like equipment. Then like that, we come now until now. Very good. Alhamdulillah, there is nothing issue. Everything is okay. Garage plug. I like garage plug because of the garage plug giving more like a value. Like as I am customer, if I am customer, then once I come to the garage to repair the car, I will get proper update on the message. Like once car is coming, then I am going to create a job card. Yes, then customer will get the message. Then I don't want to give him any receipt like I received the car like that. There is normally they're giving by hand like around some receipt. Like if I drop the car into garage, then they will give to me some like a receipt. Okay, I have your car like that. But in the garage plug, there is nothing. All online or WhatsApp through and message and email. It's very good. It help me a lot, and I increase my business on the garage plug because I don't want any accountant. I don't want any something like the extra people in the office. Everything I will do myself. I have one guy purchasing. He's one doing all update for the purchasing invoice. The normally invoice I am checking end of the day. Then I don't want any other the manpower. The garage for giving best manpower for me. I like that, and customer also very satisfied because they will get my message every car service and something how is the job, like asking feedback. It's very good system garage plug. Almost 3 years I am using now garage plug. I think so the beginning in the UAE I am the one get the garage plug with Abdul from Abdul. Okay, until now I don't have any issue with the garage plug. If I have any issue also, if I contact someone on garage plug team, they will help same time. Normally I like, and I am all some other people. Normally I recommend to the people the garage plug. Yeah, normally this field who's staying, they know it's very difficult way this one. This is not easy. Garage is running is not easy. It's very difficult. Too much challenges because everywhere garage. But normally who will do proper work, there is business. Normally front of me there is 3 garages are there. I am the one last, but always busy my place. Because if I do some proper work and proper update to the customer, they are definitely come to me and they recommend me. If I do some proper work, they will recommend me. This is the way to build up the business, and that way the garage plug helping to me. The invoice very easy. Normally before what I did, my credit was very high. Always my monthly credit is very high. After the garage plug, once I generate the quotation, the normally customer will receive message. Customer will give me approval on the WhatsApp. Without approval, I'm not doing any work. Okay, customer is giving me approval on the WhatsApp. After that, work is finished. Work is going on. I can update to him to WhatsApp. After that, once I finish the work, I will just make my invoice on the phone or laptop something. Then he will get definitely the message. The car is done. Has to be like car is finished. You can come and collect. Like that message is going automatic. Garage plug through. Then I don't want to inform him anything. How much the cost of the bill? How much he has to prepare? This is very good for the dealing with the customer. Normally some customer, even my friend, is coming to repair here, but once I generate the invoice, it will be go automatic message. Then I don't want to say him, okay, how much this much you bill, just bring the cash or card. Then he knows very well I have to go and collect the card, then he will bring the cash or card. Definitely. But normally, just now we can see in my system there is many credit, but in the company, before all personal customer they are keeping credit like 500, 600, 1000, 2000 there is credit. But now I'm happy with the garage plug. There is no credit because of the proper information is going to the customer. Because normally the who wanna do proper work, like if I wanna do something proper work, then has to be expend the money. Then I'm always expecting the tell to my person and my friends, okay, if you wanna do proper job, just use something proper things. You can do something cheaper, and there is value is very cheap. If you wanna do something proper work, just go straight away, because I have experience with the garage club. I like always for the message, customer message, can keeping update. Next service, like the next service, that one has to be, I think so, a little bit modified, like on. I think so you are doing. The another one is we are entering our expenses and purchase and income. This particular I like, because once I open in my laptop in the morning, I know how much my capacity. What I did last week, what I did last day. Then end of the month I have to go where. This is in my mind. This is very good idea, and normally very easy to finalize the customer. One time is I create one car, then later on I don't want to create everything. Just only number plate and kilometer. That's it. It's very simple, and I don't want to get everyday customer will become. They give me your number, give me your name. No need. This car is here. I know how to contact you. The details very easy. No need. No, it's not much paperwork. Yes, I like. I am normally your office in India. I am in Dubai. Just sometime I will connect here people in Dubai. People very difficult. Normally my IT I will call 3 times to come to here. Just garage plug, just one message on the desktop. They will reply. If not, I will call Abdul, or there is one. I forget the lady is a manager. I think so. I'll call her definitely. They will call me, or they will let in the phone.